Chocolate, yeah, yeah. Real lady marmalade. Coucher avec moi ce soir. Straight up the gate. Yours. What's my mind when I can spend yours? I'm sorry. You keep spinning these cats out like a Atari. Soul sisters, the two sisters. Expensive taste. Get ya ya, mocha chocolate, Rio lady marmalade. Marmalade, marmalade, marmalade. More, oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Holy shit. La, da, 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 da. I didn't know it was running for that time. It's all good. I didn't ask to go with you to Mexico. I really didn't need the shopping sprees in LA or Melrose. Boy, if you didn't know it, well now you know. I didn't need the furs or the jewelry, because material things don't mean much to me. And ever since you've been gone, I've been holding us down on my own. And now never cheated, I never ever lied. So you can stop asking me why I never left you, and why I kept it real, and why I'm still with you. You should've known back then to think I would leave. You should've known back then to doubt me and leave. It don't matter if you're up, matter if you're down. Either way, I'm gonna be around. You should've known that I would stay by your side. You should've known your girl was gonna ride or die. And it just don't matter if you're rich or poor, I would give. Do if I told him. What makes you think that I would forget about you? Think about it. Who comes to see you every Saturday and Monday? I was on that phone. It's me, your girl, your life, your world. My family and friends, they just don't understand. They say I should leave you alone, but I say that they all should just leave us alone. Don't you get it? You can stop asking me why I never left you, and why I kept it real, and why I'm still with you. Oh, don't you doubt me. Matter if you're out, matter if you're down. by your side. You should've known your girl was gonna ride or die or die. But if you're at your point, I would give. Then wait for 2 10. You should've known by